Hi, I am Meguna Harshil. Welcome to my channel Kids Easy Science Project. Good morning friends. I am Meguna Harshil and now I am going to show you how to make solar airplane. These are the materials required. The gearbox, the solar panel, two small connectors, one fan and one dome. Now take small connector and fix it right here. See? And now, take the gearbox, here's the small hole, fix it here. See. And now take another small connector and fix it here, another line is there, fix it right there. And fix the solar panel here. Take the solar panel and fix it here right in the small connector. Now fix the fan right in the gearbox. See, my solar plane is ready. Now we'll see how it works. See, my solar plane is working. Thank you friends. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.